Hello everyone, this is Ingrid from Old Town Charm, and today I will be doing 2 hot process in 1 batter. This is very easy to achieve. The only thing you need to do is measure your molds, calculate both of them together. You'll get the amount of oils you need, the amount of lye water. Go to soapcalc.com, add all of those ingredients in there, and then you're going to get your measurements for this. It's a very easy process. Once everything is done, you're going to be separating this into 2, and then you can add your 2 fragrances to each individual batter, your additives, whatever you want to add extra, your colors, and then you can mold. It's a very easy way to make more than 1 batch at one time or different soaps at one time. And you can actually make up to 2 or 3. Just make sure that you have enough or a big enough pot that you can measure all these oils and you don't overflow. I also want to take this time to say thank you to all who participated in the survey. I see that you guys want me to do more hot process soap, and I will. I am coming up with ideas of how we can do more designs with hot process. So I'm working on things, and hopefully I can give you an entertaining video of how to do hot process soap. In the meantime, this soap is almost ready, as you can see here, and I will be covering it until it cools down so I can add my Greek yogurt, my sodium lactate. This is for the entire batter. You're not going to add any fragrance, anything else, no colors, until you divide this into 2. So here goes my sodium lactate, and then I will be adding my Greek yogurt. As I mentioned before, I like to use Greek yogurt on all my hot process. It makes it more fluid. It's really good for your skin. I just love it. But again, you can use coconut milk. You can use goat milk. My go-to is always Greek yogurt. So yeah, it makes my soap feel much better too. I've used goat's milk in combination with Greek yogurt, and I don't know what happened, but it makes my bar feel a little bit sticky. But when I use only Greek yogurt, it comes out very nice and smooth, and my skin loves it. As always, when you're doing hot process or any type of soap, make sure you're using your goggles, your closed shoes, your long sleeves if you have them, and your gloves. This pot was pretty hot still, so make sure that you're always protecting yourself. Here I am splitting my batter into 2, and in one of them I'm doing my fan favorite honey almond oats. And in this batter I'm adding my oats, my honey, and I'm ready to go. I never use colors for the honey almond oat. I like it to be very natural. So this one has no Mad Mica. This only has the Greek yogurt, the sodium lactate, my oats, and my honey. Of course, I use sweet almond oil, and the fragrance is actually from Aztec Candle, and it's almond, and it smells so good. For this next one, I am using micas from Mad Mica, and this is a beautiful red, and I'm using the fragrance from also Aztec Candle, and this is Pomegranate. Those 2 soaps I have to make them every week. I have customers requesting my pomegranate soap and my almond honey oats. If I don't have this, people are like, when are you gonna have it? When are you going to have it? I need it. So yes, this is why you see me doing this a lot. but it's because it's my most requested soaps. This is 24 hours later, and both batches came out so nice, very firm. I was actually very pleased how they came out, very solid. And the fragrance, oh, this smells so good. Had to smell it, sorry. But yes, this one is pomegranate, and then I will be cutting the almond honey oats. This soap is so Old Town Charm. I love the rustic look of this. I love that it's all natural, no colors. It's just beautiful. You can see the oats everywhere. It's wonderful for exfoliating. I love the soap. I mean, this is so Old Town Charm. I turned it around to cut it because I noticed that the oats were leaving like some stripe marks. So I cut it sideways to see if this was better, and yes, it was much better to cut that way. I love this soap, but this is so nice. I mean, it smells delicious, but it smells delicious and it's beautiful, but it's also so good for my skin. The kids love it, my friends love it, my family always request the almond honey oats. Thank you again for spending time with me and seeing my videos of making soap. Here are the results. I hope you like it. And if you do, please just give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I know there's tons of videos coming. And thank you again. Until the next one.